Hello and welcome to the next tutorial for HTML editing. In today's tutorial, we are going to be covering. This is the level 2 tutorial. We're going to be covering. We're going to be looking at styling, and we're also going to be looking at spans. All right, we're going to go to Dreamweaver, or your editor of HTML, and when you style something, you apply like font. Let me think here. Yeah, font styles, background styles, like the background image, background color. Basically, we have a div right here. And if you saw the previous tutorial, you know what that is. And let's say I want to make the div's background color, let's say blue. I want to have the div, and I want to have the background color blue. So I go to my div here, the div tag, and I come here and I go space, and I would put style equals quotations background dash color colon space, and then I would just type blue. And then I'd close my quotations, and then there you go. Now if I come back to my design, oh look there, this whole div, the background color is blue. Now let's say I want to have an image as the background, just a random image on my computer. So let's see, I'll change this to background image, and I would put, if I can remember here, maybe I can center it there. That looks like it works. Okay, image colon space URL open parenthesis file colon 3 slashes C straight line. It's, I believe, it's right above the enter key. If you hold down shift and press the key right above enter, straight line / users / users / print pictures, whatever the picture's located, whatever it is. Come into design here, and it's you can see it there. It's a background picture of the Geico person, and that's how you style something. And now we're gonna get into spans. Basically, what a span is it's like you have a whole paragraph of text, just one paragraph, and inside of this paragraph you want one part of the just one little, like 3 words out of the paragraph to be styled. So what you would do is, I'm just gonna do something here real quick. Maybe I can help do this real quick. Go out of that, make a new div, and then inside of this div, I'm just gonna put hello world, this is a test of HTML. I want this to be styled. Uh-oh, we're going off screen. I want this to be styled, but I want a BR there. Hello world, this is a test of HTML. I want this to be styled. So this to be styled. I'm gonna take this text right here, and I'm going to let me see here. yeah, I'm gonna take this text and I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna make it. Let me make it something a little bit complex. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a different font. I'm gonna make it a Verdana font. It's currently, I think, at Times New Roman. So this is what we do. We go into this tag, this to be styled, and we put span ID equals quotation marks, and we're going to put P for paragraph, P test. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be anything, but you gotta make sure it's usually all one word, or it's all connected, and it can't be any spaces or anything, but it can be whatever you want. And then close that, go over here and do / span. There you go, / span. Now if I go into the design, you really can't tell that it's about to be styled. Here, let me scooch this over for you. I'm gonna have to expand this a little bit, and it just looks the same. So basically we have to put a CSS cascading style sheet tag at the top, and when I say I want this text to be styled right here, I gave it an ID so I could go to the top and put something in, like I want to change the font style, and I want that the only little area that I want the font to be changed is this span, the P test span. So I go up here to the top, go out of the body tag, and style type equals text dash slash CSS, close quotations, and close the tag. Come down here, / style, and come in here and do .ptest space, open curly bracket, down, down, enter twice, close curly bracket, up, go up a line and do a couple spaces, and then do font dash family equals, font dash family colon space quotation marks. Let's do we'll do Verdana, close quotations, and put a semicolon. Now let's go see what that looks like. That is the Verdana font, and this is the standard HTML font, which I believe is Times New Roman. And that, let me see if I can do one more here. Span class. We can add another one up here. Since I put a semicolon, we can do font dash size colon, and let's make something really big, 40 pixels, px for pixels. See what that looks like. Oh my goodness, that's very big, isn't it? So basically that's something very useful, and I'll be talking in another tutorial about how, if you're styling lots of things, like if you're styling divs and you're styling paragraphs and you're styling all kinds of things, and you have lots of CSS, you can set all that CS up on another document called whatever you want.css, and your HTML file will talk to the CSS file and style everything that you told it to in the HTML file, which takes out a lot of the bulk of the styling up at the top here. So basically, thank you for watching, and goodbye.